arrive in style with this Jeep 2020 Renegade Altitude. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: black deluxe cloth high back bucket seats, passive entry remote start package included, keyless entry with panic alarm remote start system, black clear coat, connectivity, bridge solution, global telematics box module, TBM, quick order package 2XM altitude included, engine 2.4 Li 40 VAT MAIR transmission, 9-speed 948 automatic leather-wrapped steering wheel, gloss black exterior accents, exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, vinyl door trim panel, black accent stitching, altitude package, transmission, 9-speed 948 automatic, STD, engine, 2.4 Li 40 VAT MAIR, STD, and front-wheel drive. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride.